Hi guys, welcome back to Tintuzlife. Today I have come up with an innovative idea which is to make something best out of waste. For this I am having an old aerial box. Then you need a ruler which has got markings on it. Then a permanent marker. And also a scissor. Then a colored paper which you can use it to cover. So take your old aerial box. And on the width side of the box, you have to make a measurement of 6 centimeter height. For this, we can take our permanent marker and then you can measure a 6 centimeter height on the width side of the box. Just mark the points. And now we can connect those 2 points with your ruler. Just connect it with the ruler so that you get a straight line. Next we have to go to the diagonal portion of the box, that is from there to the top portion. From that point, look to the opposite side and to the top of the box, where you have to take the ruler again and mark a 7 centimeter on that portion. And do the same on the opposite side of the box also. There also you have to take the 7 centimeters. So now we have made both markings, that is 7 centimeter on the length side and also 6 centimeter on the width side. So you have to connect this 7 centimeter to the 6 centimeter diagonally. So take your ruler and connect the top to the bottom in a diagonal manner. Repeat the same for the opposite side of the box also. By that we have made the markings for the box and now it's ready to be cut. So you can cut through that portions that you have drawn. So for that, take your scissors, cut the unwanted portions and be very careful while doing this cut. The box is having nice thickness and also it's very good. It can be used as a good multi-purpose organizer. Cut it carefully through the line which you have drawn. Now it has opened up. Do that on the other side of the box also. So now we have finished cutting everything and now it looks somewhat like that of a file rack that we use in the offices. So this is the cutout portion, and it looks very much like that, and it's a good organizer. Just give a finishing touch for your organizer. Now you can use the colored paper to cover this organizer. Wow, it's ready. It's super easy and it's actually very useful also. You can use it to put your files or even the small things that in kitchen that you use, and also anything. If you want to club like this, you can make two organizers like this and you can just paste it together, or if you want to use it individually, you can use it like that. It's all about your idea. You can use your ideas to make it more decorative. And that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And thank you so much for watching.